Hello friends, welcome to CyberCAD Solutions. In this session, I would like to explain how to write a shortcut macro, means a shortcut command to find the distance between 2 points, that is nearest to perpendicular. We already know that distance command di is there. We can pick 2 points like this and find the distance. The same thing using nearest point to perpendicular. So how to write a macro for that one? So you need to write it like this. So define command ds distance and two empty parentheses and a start parenthesis, command dist, that is the command we are going to use, and we want to pick nearest point. So I am giving nearest in double quotes and a pause will allow you to pick a point. Then for perpendicular, to pick a perpendicular point, again I am giving perpendicular in double quotes and no need to give pause. You can directly close because it is enforced by the AutoCAD to pick this next point. Let us see what we have written. So bracket start, define C colon, command name and two empty parentheses and a starting parenthesis, then command dist in double quotes, that is the command we are going to use, and in double quotes we have written nearest. This means all other object snaps are ignored and only nearest will be taken. And pause is to allow the user to pick that point, and then again we are saying perpendicular means ignore all other object snaps that are switched on and take only perpendicular. So with that we are closing and press enter. Now ds is a command created and we can use it right now. Okay, let's use ds command. Type ds at the command prompt and you can directly pick nearest point anywhere on the line, and then it is asking perpendicular. You can go to the other line and pick perpendicular point like this. So you can get the distance. Let us see one more time how to write this command. Simply type starting parenthesis, define C colon ds, the command name, and empty parenthesis starting and closing and a starting parenthesis, and then command dist, that is we are going to use, and we are prioritizing nearest to take, and then a pause to allow the user to pick a point, and then we are again ignoring all other object snaps and we are insisting to take perpendicular, and close two brackets, for one for command start and one for define start, and press enter. And you can use ds command, pick the nearest point and perpendicular to get the nearest to perpendicular distance. And I would like to give you one more tip. In the distance command, you can take first point, and then if you take multiple points option, you can take the second point, third point, like that. If you have got curves like this, you can take arc option also, and then second point just like a p-line creation options like this, and you can press enter, or you can take line option and come up over here and press enter. So like this you can get the total distance along the curve. So 55.70 is the distance from here to here along the curve, including arc path. Let me show you one more time. Take distance command and pick the first point, then you will get this multiple points option. Pick the second point, and for third point you can go to arc option, take the second point, you can pick anywhere on the curve and pick the next point and press enter, so that you can see 35.70 is the distance from here to this. If you want to cross check, you can join these together and you can list. You can see the distance is 35.7080, which is returned over here, the same distance we have got. So like this friends, you can write shortcut macros and find the distance easily. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and welcome to the next session.